At a time when artificial intelligence and robotics technologies are developing rapidly, NVIDIA's senior scientist Jim Fan's prediction that there will be a big leap in robotics in 2 to 3 years is quite remarkable. Inspired by the revolutionary impact of GPT-3 in the field of artificial intelligence, this prediction emphasizes that robots will become more accessible in daily life. Especially NVIDIA's massive projects such as Project Groot support this goal. Aiming for human-like robots to reach the capacity to work in many areas from restaurants to hospitals, these projects focus on the hardware and software developments necessary for robots to work effectively in the same physical environment as humans. Fan states that not only technical skills are not enough for the integration of robots into our lives, but also security, cost, and legal regulations should be taken into consideration. At this point, factors such as security and privacy are among the most important factors that ensure the reliable use of robots. Because the introduction of robots into our daily lives and their constant interaction with humans will lead to great changes both technologically and socially. Therefore, not only technical developments, but also safety standards and laws should come into play in this process. As Jim Fan pointed out, one of the methods used by NVIDIA, the integration of internet, simulation, and real-world data into robots, enables these machines to enter a more effective learning process. Using this pool of data, robots can not only learn tasks faster, but also interact with humans more naturally and effectively. This is a critical step for robots to exhibit human-like behavior. In addition, the use of artificial intelligence-supported education technologies such as Eureka in the training process of robots enables faster and more effective learning of tasks. Thanks to these technologies, robots can be used efficiently in both industrial and daily life. This process will enable robots to become widespread not only in factories and warehouses, but also in homes, schools, and even social environments. In conclusion, NVIDIA's goals in the field of robotics may herald a major revolution in the future. However, it is important to remember that in order for this revolution to be realized, factors such as safety, cost, and legal regulations must be taken into consideration as well as technological advances. If these factors can be balanced, it is quite possible that robots will become an indispensable part of our daily lives within 2 to 3 years. Especially the investments of technology giants such as NVIDIA in this field can start a new era in the world of robotics. For more of this kind of information, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Let's meet in the comments.